pumpkin spice, falling leaves, shorter daylight hours. These are the markings of the autumn season. But on the first day of fall, it doesn't feel like it. Brett Anderson is a senior meteorologist at Accuweather. He joins us from State College, Pennsylvania. Brett, it is the first day of fall, but in eastern Canada, it feels like the middle of July. Lots of people saying we're having the best weather we've seen all season, really. What's behind it?
Yeah, it's kind of crazy, isn't it? Big area of high pressure has been anchored across the Great Lakes now, and this is going to stay that way probably through the first half of next week. What that's doing is basically the high pressure system is acting like a big bubble, a big balloon, and what that does is forcing the jet stream, which normally comes farther south this time of year, bringing us some cooler shots of air. That's keeping the jet stream way up in northern Canada, and therefore trapping all the cool air up across Western Canada or way up across the Arctic region, at least for the time being.
So what can we expect this fall season? And you say the warmer weather will continue into the middle of next week, but could we get another warm spell?
Absolutely. I don't see really any sustained outbreaks of chilly weather anytime soon. It will turn cooler, as you said, late next week, but that'll be probably back to normal temperatures. But overall, what we're looking forward for the fall as a whole, we do believe temperatures will be averaging above normal across much of Ontario through Quebec and into the Maritimes. But also, we think it's going to be a wetter fall compared to normal. So still plenty of opportunities for more rainstorms from southern Ontario right up through Quebec.
So you and I have talked a lot about the hurricanes this season. Are they going to have any impact on the weather conditions as we head into autumn?
Doesn't look like it. Maria may eventually get caught up in a front that will bring the cooler weather into eastern Canada late next week, and that may bring some rain to the Atlantic Canada, but certainly not hurricane conditions at this point. And then again, we do think the hurricane season is going to remain more active than usual through October. So there's always opportunities. Again, we see something coming up into Atlantic Canada at this point. So we'll keep an eye on it. But it does look active. We'll be busy, no doubt about that.
Okay, Brett Anderson, senior meteorologist at Accuweather. Appreciate your time.
Thank you.